Okay, we're going to go on a test drive here. 127,530 miles on the odometer. Now the flickering you see here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. So we're going to go for a ride. Looking at the front windshield, from what I can tell here, very clear, really, really nice. Probably was replaced at some point because it just is really, really clear. I don't see a bunch of rock impacts and things like that. Very quiet cabin, non-smoker. Very impressed with how clean this car is, considering the mileage. So it's probably a lot of highway. Now this car, you might hear some little clicking here and there in the front, which it may not resonate in camera, but we are putting a new motor mount here on the left side, and so that is on order. We're just waiting for it to come in, and that will get replaced. So if you do hear noise at all, it is just that motor mount. At the alignment feels good, steering's nice and straight. No complaints of drivability. Now the little flickering you see here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assess the overall condition of the vehicle and then go take it out for a drive. Here on the front right wheel, you do have some rash. A little bit of rash down there. The rest of the wheel though looks good. Got the Michelin Defender LTX MS2s. Date code 2025, so they were recently replaced. And there is some more rash right there. So a little bit of rash on the wheel. Looking at the fender, overall in great condition. A couple little rock impacts on the side mirror. A-pillar looks good. You can see all the trim here is blacked out. You got the blackout down here. It looks really good, ties it all in together very well. You have a couple chips there. A little scratch, a couple small chips. A few rock chips on that lower side. Pillar looks good. Overall, the doors look nice. Quarter panel looks good. That wheel's looking good. 2025 date code here on the tires. At the hood, scanning the edge, a couple little rock chips. I see a couple dimples there. That looks good. Headlights, overall nice and clear. You do have a gash right there on the bumper. A couple more on that lower side. Typical rock impacts with the mileage, but it's still pretty minimal, honestly. Got the gloss black grille. That fender looks good. You do have some rash here on that wheel. Bottom side looks good. You are missing the center cap emblem there. That's a cheap and easy fix. Couple rock chips. A few little impacts on the side mirror, but it's very subtle, just from everyday driving, especially with the mileage. I'd say it's pretty minimal. Lower side looks good. Typical scuffs and scratches and little chips, but nothing larger than that really so far. Couple chips and gashes here. Tail light looks good. Got the black trim here. Looks nice. You do have a chip right there. You have a gash here. It looks like probably hit the garage door. Pretty common on these. Missing the cover here. All right, looking at the interior, really, really clean. All black with the Alcantara, rear media, sunroof. It's got it all, and it's really nice for the miles. Very impressed. Here on the upper side, got the Alcantara, memory seating. Wood grain looks good. That leather looks perfect. Buttons are nice and clean. I mean, that looks really, really good. All-weather mats. That trim looks awesome. There is a ding right there. That bolster's really clean for the miles. Very impressed with that seat. Very little wear. Here on the steering wheel, a couple little markings. Typical wear for the mileage. If you look up close. A little shiny, of course, with the oils. The rest of that looks good. Looks awesome. Heads-up display. Dash is in great condition. Couple markings here and there, but for the most part, looks really nice. Here in the back, you got the little all-weather mat. There's your third row. There's a hole in the carpet, typical wear. That is power. Then you have the power folding third row, so it can raise and lower, and then you have the buttons for the second row where you can just power drop them, but they won't come back up. Looking at that door panel, wood grain looks good. Alcantara is nice and clean, really nice. All-weather mats. That bolster looks good. You do have a couple markings and little stains on the seat, some little indentions right here, and some flaws. You can see that's kind of hardened. Looks like something maybe fell on there. It's almost like a glue. The rest of this looks good though. Upper side looks nice. That side of the console looks good. Got the Alcantara here, nice and clean. Dash looks good. Got the sunroof, small stain on the very edge there. Here in the back right door panel, looks good. Carpet's nice and clean. Seat looks good. You got your climate control access here. Got the rear media. All right, looking back here, there's a little impression there on the seat. I think the buckle was probably sitting on it and the seat was folded down. There's a stain right there. Here on this door panel, that's in great condition. Looking at the seat, looks good. Looks like they had a car seat or a little booster in here at some point, so you're going to see some small indentions, but everything else looks really good. Seat backs, those look awesome. Very nice. And I didn't see this the first time, but there is a crease in the bumper. See how it's kind of warped in the lighting? So you do have a crease right there. But you have to be in that perfect lighting to see that. Okay, we're going to scan through the engine bay. First, looking at the plastic, looks amazing. The cap here is broke off on the windshield washer fluid reservoir. The rest of that looks good. Plastics are nice and clean. Engine bay looks really good. Here on the underhood liner, that's in great condition.